Hi, this is Sammie W, and so many students ask how to find a composite function. So I'm going to run through a couple examples, give you guys a brutal example to look at and one to try. Couple of things that you do need to know. Let's look at this first example here. Let f of x equals 2x plus 7. Let g of x equals 4x minus 6. I want f of g of x. What I do, I replace everywhere there's an x, I replace it with g of x. So x is no longer x. This is how I want you to think about it. X is no longer x. It's g of x, which is 4x minus 6. So we go 2 times 4x minus 6 instead of 2 times x. That gives me 8x minus 12 plus 7. Minus 12 plus 7 is a minus 5. So f of g of x equals 8x minus 5. Let's look at a more difficult example. And I want to show you a trick to this. When you look at this one, I have f of x equals 3x squared minus 20. I want f of 3. Now, we're not going to solve it in this way. First, we're going to find f of 3. So f of 3, we plug in 3. Now we replace, you know how to replace um, x with 3. So we got 3 times 3 squared, which is 3 times 9 minus 20, which is 27 minus 20. That's 7. Okay, so f of 3 is 7. So we want to find f of 3. Now, so we go f of 7, which is go back to f of x. So we have 3 times 7 squared minus 20. 3 times 7 squared minus 20 is 3 times 49 minus 20. What I did here to get to this, I just said, that's close to 50. So I said 3 times 50 minus 3 gave me 147 minus 20, which is 127. So that's a lot easier than trying to find f of x and then trying to find um, this f of 3. You never want to go the f of x route. You always want to find f of 3 first. Now take a look at a brutal example. We're going to and I'll leave it to you to work your way through this. But here it is. F of g of h of x. We want to find I of x such as this. It is f of g of h of x. I've worked it all out here. It wasn't so bad. I want you to try, if you want, try this example. Keep in mind, you want to make sure that you copy everything down right. Otherwise, you're stumbling down the path and you're going to have your answer wrong. So I want f of g of h of 2. And now the reveal on the answer. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, here it is. So here's your solution here. H of 2 minus 2 plus 4. I'll leave it to you to work it out in the same fashion, but here's your solution. If you need more help with these, I'm always here to help. Thank you very much.